In today's quick and short tutorial, I'll show you how to change the default browser on your Android mobile phone. Maybe you're tired of the Chrome browser that comes pre-installed on your Android device, and you fancy switching to Microsoft Edge, or Firefox, etc. The first thing you need to do is have another browser installed on your phone. To do this, open up the Play Store app, and inside the app, click on the search function. Inside the search bar, type browser. Here you will see a list. Select the one you want, and download it to your phone. Now, head back to your home page, and click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down to Apps, and click on it. In App Management, click on the Default Apps option. Click the Browser app to go to the next setting. Inside the default browser app setting, whichever browser apps you have installed on your device can now be selected as the default browser. I will select Firefox for this tutorial. That's all there is to it. You can download other browsers to try, and if you end up preferring Chrome, just switch the default back.